Greetings. In this quick video, I want to show you how to use any radon detector that uses alpha particles in the air that will detect radon in your home over days, if not weeks or months. And it doesn't matter if you have an EcoSense, a RadonEye, an AirThings. There's different models. This particular one is called a Hound AEG test 3699. So it's fairly simple to do. So you want to make sure that your radon detector is on the very bottom floor. The more, the lower, the better. And if you could put it in the basement, that's even better, ideally. And you want to place it in the open air, away from windows if possible, or walls. You want to make sure that there's no fans going on or anything that would affect the current. So basically, these test the liters of radon in air, which, radon's about 8 times heavier than regular air, and it comes up from the ground, from the soil and rocks. It's more predominant in high altitude areas like the Dakotas or Rocky Mountains or the Appalachians, as opposed to lower elevated environments like Florida, Louisiana, where it's low elevation. So most of them are battery powered like this Hound, and it'll accumulate the radons coming up per liter of the air over time, per second. As you can see here, right now I'm at 0.7 PCIL, which stands for picocuries per liter of air. In Europe or international, it would be called BQM. So the good thing about this one, it measures both, and most of them will measure both. So you want your PCQs in your home to be below 4.0. So as right now, I only turned this on like 30 minutes ago, and right now it's 0.7, which is great. It's way less than 4.0. If it gets higher than 4.0, that's when you're in danger and when you need to do something. Now, there's multiple things they can do to prevent radon from continuing to come up into your home. They can, basically, they're just trying to remove the radon from absorbing up into your house. So what they'll do is they'll put like a pipe with a fan underneath, and it'll blow the radon out before it gets into your home. They can, underneath it, put like a tarp, which will help prevent radon from coming through. But if you look here, it shows, this Hound shows that it's accumulating. And what's great about this one, it's got like a little mini USB right here, mini for C, so you can plug it up, but this particular one lasts for about 12 days without you needing to charge the battery, which is pretty good. And you could also connect it to your Windows computer or your phone, and it'll give you in-depth over time. So the good thing about an alpha particle reader like this, as opposed to like charcoal, that's another way to test radon, is that it's accumulative over time. So periodically during the day, radon, depending on the movement of the Earth, it will go up, fluctuate up and down. So that's why it's a good average indicator of days, weeks, if not even, you could even do months. This particular one will go up to 500 days. So if we go to settings, so that shows the measure. And this particular one, and the one that you have, will have an alarm most likely if it goes up above 4.0. But very, very cool. And then when it blinks like that, it'll basically show a new reading. All right, but if you're renting, or if you're renting a house or apartment and you're over 4.0, I'd highly recommend you just move. If you own a home, they say the average cost to put in a pipe and a fan underneath would be about $2,500, $2,500, depending on the contractor. But the higher up in the floors that you are, the safer that you are. If you're down in the ground, or in the basement level or first floor, that's where it's the most dangerous. And like I said, it accumulates more in high altitude areas like the Colorados or the mountains, the Appalachians, so on and so forth. All right, I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get the Hound, the AEG. They got a 3-year warranty. I've been pretty impressed with it so far, and it's the touchscreen makes it very, very easy to use. And like I said, it's got the USB-C cord, and it's very impressive thus far. All right, thanks for watching, and put in the comment section what state you live in or what country that you live in. I'd be curious to know.